Our pop-up gazebo tent is ideal for any types of promotional, sporting, or racing event. This is one of the most cost-effective solutions for short-term or long-term marketing campaigns. It comes with a durable and sturdy aluminum alloy frame structure. The biggest feature about this tent is that it comes with a lot of portability since it is foldable. Every time when you're done with your event, simply just fold it up and pack inside the sandbag, then you're good to go. Very much hassle-free in terms of assembly. Aside from that, it comes with a UV-resistant and waterproof canopy which is reversible and fully customizable. You could have your customized images on both sides of the canopy. Our gazebo tent comes with strong visual aesthetics and great portability. Moreover, it comes with a high adjustable feature which enables you to adjust the height of the tent as per your needs. For the banner, it comes with a Velcro attachment which saves up a lot of hassle for you to install. Instead of being screwed on or glued on the frame, with the Velcro, it is more flexible and can be replaced whenever you want. If you're ever intrigued by this product, please do feel free to let us know, and we would always love to assist you.